Hello guys, and what's up everybody? Hope you've been good, fine, fantastic, fresh. So today I bring you another house tour that is located in the ghetto area of Kayole. This house is a double room, but vitu iko nazo guys, itawa amaze. So stay tuned and let's get straight to the video. Add tena. So guys, this is the entrance, the door. Alafu hapo chini kuna that mat. Then on the right side there's this speaker, and after the speaker kuna that window. Siwezi focus a lot cause ya light. Then wacha ni go back kidogo ama we continue. So from there kuna this fan. Alafu next to it there's this a three-seater seat. Three-seater seat, yes. Iko hiyo side. Then tukitoka kwa hiyo seater, we go on this side. Kuna another two-seater. It's a recliner seat, black in color, leather. Kwambia vitu original hapa. And then hapo juu ameweka hivyo. And then there's that art. Hiyo art ndio imeni nice. And then kutoka hiyo side tunaenda hii side ingine. Hapo ndio kuna router ya wifi. And then alafu sasa hii side ingine ameweka where the fridge is. Akona microwave, akona bread toaster na coffee maker. So literally hiyo ndio view. Hata niwarudishe nyuma sasa ndio muweze kuona, to focus on one side. So from there chini sasa kuna hii carpet. Hii ni shade ya iko na cream, iko na brown. Yes, and then kuna this table. Hapo nimempata alikuwa job, he works from home. Then after the entrance, I hope mnakumbuka entrance place ilikuwa. So after the entrance kuna this dispenser. It's there. And then this TV stand. Is it a TV stand? But it's a stand. Ndio iko hapo. Baby boy ako na iPhone. Hey. Then hapo kuna speaker. And then on that side kuna that stand with some flower decors. And then to the TV area. Guys, I hope hii simu inaifanyia justice. Acha ni zoom kidogo. This is a 55-inch TV. Brand ni Hisense. Ndio hiyo sasa. So literally hiyo ndio sasa. Hivyo ndio side inakaa. So from there twende to the kitchen area, stroke the sleeping area, office area, hizo zote. So after sitting area, so this is the other room. Alafu the first thing that tunaona ni the kitchen area. Hapo akona gas burner, akona kettle heater, and then that's breakfast. Then hapa kuna this utensil rack. So generally hiyo ndio the view on this side, the kitchen area. Ni ameipanga vizuri. Alafu nimependa the fact that haiko sitting room, ameweka poa. So from that side tukuje hapa ndio amestore more of the kitchen things. So hapo kuna cooking stuff, everything, spices. Alafu cash crop za Nyandarua ndio hizo. And then from that side kuna office area. The stroke ameweka tu, I don't guess who anatumia, but yes. So kuna this seat. Alafu kuna hiyo monitor. So generally hiyo ndio view ya hiyo place. Then we head straight to the sleeping area. So this is the sleeping area. Yo. So that's the bed, the duvet. At least I may make bed. Hatujapata ikiwa and then this territory imemarkiwa. So yes, people have marked their territories. So that's it, guys. From that side, kuna sasa the other place, storage area, your box here, the TV. So that's literally it. So guys, that has been it for this video. As I've told you, it's a double room, and if you would want me to document more of your house tours, kindly mnaweza ni inbox, mnaweza DM kwa IG yangu, or even comment on the comment section below, and I will talk from there. So till we meet in our next video, kwaherini.